Today we are breaking down the breakthroughs set to shape the future of beauty in 2026. AI-powered skincare, estrogen and exosome innovations, revolutionary medical spa tech, longevity supplement, and even the rise of GLP1 medications. Why does this matter? Because these advances aren't just hype. They are changing what's possible for skin renewal, confidence, and aging gracefully. If your routine ever felt stuck, or you've wondered why everyone's talking about these new things, this video will give you clarity and maybe a glimpse of your future self. Stick around until the end because I'll share my wildest predictions for what beauty will look like in 2036, 10 years from now, beyond anything we've seen. If you love evidence-based beauty and health, hit subscribe now and let's jump in. Up until now, most skincare personalization has consisted of basic quizzes, product matching apps, or simple photo scans. It's helpful, but still leaves people guessing and often disappointed. That's why 2026 is such a turning point. The Samsung Micro LED Beauty Mirror, powered by next-level AI, can deliver a clinical-grade skin scan right at home or in med spas. In 30 seconds, it analyzes wrinkles, pores, pigmentation, and redness with remarkable precision, then instantly generates a personalized skincare routine, ingredient recommendations, and even product tweaks as your skin changes day by day. For the first time, true precision beauty is within reach. Your daily routine adapts in real time, removing the guesswork and helping you get results faster. This is a new standard for proactive, science-driven skincare, and it's only the beginning. With personalization solved, the next frontier is tackling hormonal changes and the rise of estrogen and phytoestrogen skincare. Most hormone-related skincare today focuses on retinoids, hydration, and vague anti-aging claims. Women navigating hormonal transition often get little targeted help, and estrogen and skincare still sounds niche. Up until recently, so many women over 40 have resorted to using vaginal estrogen creams on their faces. There simply weren't any facial options for hormonal dryness and tanning. But in 2026, this is rapidly changing. I recently purchased a topical estrogen face and eye cream from Aloy, a company leading the way with doctor-reviewed hormone-informed skincare. Aloy stands out because every prescription is overseen by real physicians who evaluate your health history and personal risk. As a breast cancer survivor, that assurance matters, while recent science confirms that topical estrogen has minimal absorption into the bloodstream, making it an option even for those with hormone-sensitive backgrounds. It's critical to speak with your doctor or Aloy's medical team before starting any topical hormone regimen. I am not associated with Aloy. I just purchased the products because I needed something that was estrogen cream. I wanted the doctor to review it. I did ask my oncology team. Even though FDA did not review estrogen cream usage on the face, they did review estrogen creams usage vaginally, and there is no systemic absorption vaginally. As a result, we can predict that there is no systemic absorption when you use it on your face. Well, 2026 is all about smarter, safer hormone skincare. The next frontier is called regeneration, where exosome science is taking anti-aging to a whole new level. Cellular regeneration is the new frontier in anti-aging, and in 2026, exosome skincare is making major waves. One product I keep hearing about is Exoglow serum. It's considered the gold standard by many dermatologists and medical spas right now, thanks to its combination of advanced exosomes with collagen-boosting peptides for serious firming and repair benefits. Again, I'm not associated with this company. While I haven't tried this personally, the clinical buzz and positive reviews are hard to ignore. The science suggests deeper repair, not just surface results, and real potential for smoother texture and improved elasticity. If you've tried Exoglow or any other exosome-based skincare, please drop your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear. Did you see a change in your skin? And how did it compare to other anti-aging treatments? While exosome serums are changing home routines, med spas in 2026 are pushing regeneration even further with next-level injectables and skin boosters. In 2025, most medical spas offer variations on the same menu: laser, injectables, facial. Personalization is limited. In the near future, AI diagnostic scans, wearable biosensors, and custom mixed serums will make treatment plans radically individualized. Envision arriving for a facial and after a 5-minute scan, receiving real-time optimized treatments that update as your skin changes over the months. Hybrid devices like radiofrequency plus microbotox, on-the-spot skincare repair formulas, and feedback-driven regimens will define the experience. But here's the wild part. Real innovation starts inside. Med spa treatments in 2026 are all about deep regeneration and natural long-term results. 3 treatments stand out this year. The first one is PRF, platelet-rich fibrin injectables. These use your own blood's fibrin matrix packed with stem cells and growth factors, offering powerful healing and collagen boost, especially for delicate areas like under eyes. PRF is emerging as a safer treatment as opposed to a filler under the eye, and you will feel and look natural. Next are injectable exosomes, the latest stem cell-driven therapy making waves in clinical research. Exosome injections deliver advanced signal molecules to support cellular repair, elastin, and resilience, with early evidence showing improvement in wrinkles, scars, and overall skin quality. By 2026, expect exosome injectables to become a staple for forward-thinking clinics. And finally, Salmon DNA skin boosters, brands like regeneration. This gentle injectable treatment uses purified polynucleotides to stimulate collagen and hydrate from within. It's a favorite for glowing revitalized skin without adding volume. Results include smoother texture, reduced fine lines, and lasting radiance for faces, necks, and hands with very little downtime and a great safety profile. These innovations represent a new shift, less about instant fixes, more about true skin regeneration, natural beauty, and tailored solutions that respond to your biology. If you've tried any of these, let me know your results in the comments. While advanced injectables focus on renewing skin from the outside, the next frontier is optimizing beauty from within, where longevity supplements meet skincare and overall wellness. In 2026, the boundary between beauty and wellness is finally disappearing as longevity supplements become a daily staple for skin and cellular health. Leading this shift is Novos, the brand everyone's talking about for real results. Novos Core and Boost packs combine NMN, quercetin, magnesium malate, and a unique blend of DNA repair nutrients shown to support more useful skin, better energy, and healthy aging from the inside out. People are pairing Novos formulas with marine collagen like Exoglow, NAD Plus boosters, and ceramide-rich blends for a full spectrum approach to beauty from within. If you've tried Novos or any other longevity supplement for beauty, drop your experience in the comments. Did it make a visible difference for your skin? While these supplements work on beauty from the inside, medications like GLP1s are now transforming appearance and self-confidence. GLP-1 medications like Wegovy and Zepbound redefining beauty, and I say that as someone who's lived it. Over the last 2.5 years, I lost 45 pounds using these medications and have been in maintenance for about a year. The transformation was life-changing for my energy, health, and self-confidence. But there is a real duality. Ozempic faced the loss of facial volume and subtle skin changes after rapid weight loss is a concern. I've noticed it myself, a bit more hollowness, changes in fullness, and an occasional new wrinkle. Still, here's the flip side. Slimmer people actually tend to look younger overall, especially as we age. It's not a simple win or lose situation, it's about balancing new usefulness with shifts in how faces hold volume. Now, like many others, I focus on collagen support, skin boosters, and truly targeted skincare to navigate these changes. If you are on GLP-1 and have noticed similar things, what's been your biggest benefit or challenge? Let me know in the comments. This is a conversation a lot of us are only just starting to have. So if the future moves this fast, what does beauty look like in 2036? Here is my bold prediction: skin reprogramming, Clinics use gene editing and cellular time travel therapies to reverse age markers in the skin, not just patches. Your cells actually behave like they are decades younger. Real-time hormone modulation. Personalized wearable adjust topical hormones or peptides minute by minute, responding to your mood, stress, and even climate. No more off weeks. Your skin always stays in its optimal zone. Virtual augmented reality treatments. Home treatments merge AR and biotech, letting you test to stimulate procedures on your avatar before you commit. Shopping is replaced with try before you buy. Beauty from within network. Supplements aren't isolated. They are delivered in real time via microinjectors or skin mesh with biofeedback loops, reporting tone, collagen, glow, and resilience hour by hour. Self-healing skin products and procedures activate dormant stem cells on demand to heal, repair, and keep your skin barrier flawless. No downtime, no damage, just instant recovery. Algorithmic aging management. AI coaches oversee your skin and body's entire aging process, syncing beauty and health, mood, and longevity. Think personal beauty operating system. Always learning and always adapting. Is this wild? Absolutely. But with how fast tech, biotech, and wellness is evolving, this kind of leap might just be possible, maybe even inevitable, and maybe it will even be wilder than we can imagine right now. If you want to take the next step in your own routine, be sure to check out the guides linked in the description. You'll find my GLP1 starter guide, 7-day high-protein menu, ultimate retinol reset, and the guide to dry skin. Turn these signs into results no matter where you are starting. Let me know in the comments which breakthrough or prediction are you most excited or nervous about, and have you tried any of these trends yourself? I read and reply to every story and question. If you want even more, watch my in-depth video on collagen support. It's your next step if you're ready to build resilience against aging from the inside out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs the truth about the future of beauty and wellness. Bye!